Techno update. Subscribe now.
Acer Iconia Tab 10 A3-A40 Review. Design and features. The Acer Iconia Tab 10 A3-A40 is a 10.1-inch widescreen tablet. Its design is more like that of the first Android tablets than the trendiest models we see today. It's a tablet you'll use with two hands. It's a little too big and heavy to be used comfortably single-handedly. Held between two palms, though, it feels right at home. It weighs 529 grams and is 8.9 mm thick, and for all its surface-level bling, the Acer Iconia Tab 10 A3-A40 is a plastic-shelled tablet that doesn't feel anywhere near as fancy as an iPad. Screen. The Acer Iconia Tab 10 A3-A40's best feature is its display. A screen resolution of 1920 by 1200 is high enough to make images look reasonably sharp. It isn't at the point of making the screen retina grade, where you struggle to see any pixels at all, but it's satisfyingly sharp. Software. The Acer Iconia Tab 10 A3-A40 runs Android 6.0, and has quite a few Acer software customizations. However, on the surface it looks just like standard Android, which is a good thing. Specs, benchmarks, and performance. The Acer Iconia Tab 10 A3-A40's basic navigation feels reasonably responsive, apart from the slightly sluggish left-page home screen. Acer has stretched the CPU, however. The tablet has a fairly weak MediaTek MT8163 processor, the kind of chipset that we'd normally see in a 720p device, not a 1080p one, and this tablet is 1200p. Sure enough, this results in issues with high-end games. Asphalt Eights frame rate is fairly poor, you'll need to turn down the graphics to low to get it running acceptably. It's a similar story with Dead Trigger 2, it's choppy even at the default medium setting, and it's rare to see this game run poorly. This is proof that the hardware requirements of 1080p/1200p devices are of the next level up, which would be an 8-core processor. The Acer Iconia Tab 10 A3-A40's CPU has 4 Cortex A53 cores clocked at 1.5 GHz. Camera. The Acer Iconia Tab 10 A3-A40 has two cameras, one on the rear and one on the front, but both are nothing to shout about. Its rear camera has a 5-megapixel sensor and no flash, and feels as though Acer has added this unit simply because it feels a tablet should have a rear camera. Battery life. Some budget tablets offer great battery life since they only have to drive a fairly undemanding 1280 by 800 pixel screen. However, this isn't the case here. The A3-A40's 10.1-inch 1200p display takes its toll on the 6,100 mAh battery.